Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Small village equals a call for responsible consumption. Good morning, everyone. Honorable judges, look at this cup. I use it for only 5 minutes, but it will stay on this earth for nearly 500 years. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfrida Mufti Kusuma Dewi. I'm an English language education student at Universitas Islam Darul Ulum Lamongan, and I come from small village called Trosono in Sekaran district, Lamongan, East Java. Today, I'm not here to blame you. I'm here to persuade that you as responsible consumption is not luxury for big cities. It is a necessity for every village, including mine. Let me share a reality from Trosono village. Every morning, our local trash collection point is overflowing, not with leaves or organic waste, but with plastic packaging, instant noodle wraps, detergent sachet, snack plastic, and mineral water cup. That like a mineral water cup. Why? Because most families in my village buy daily necessities in small single-use sachet. They are cheap and practical, but there is no proper recycling system. So, what happens? Some plastic is burned behind houses, releasing toxic smoke. Some is dumped into the irrigation canal that waters our rice field. Some ends up in the Bengawan Solo River, traveling to the sea and harming marine life. According to a 2024 study by the Indonesian Ministry of Environment, only 39% of plastic waste in East Java village is properly managed. The rest pollute soil, water, and air. Many people think it is just a small village. Our waste doesn't matter. But that is exactly the problem. Small actions multiplied by thousands of villages become a national disaster. As a student, I don't have a big budget, but I have 3 concrete local solutions that any village can start immediately. For the first, refill no sachet. In Trosono village, I started a small campaign with my university student community. We invited local shop to sell sample, the soap and cooking oil using refill system. One shop agreed. In just 1 month, the shop produced 180 plastic sachet. Imagine if 10 shops did the same, 1,800 per month. The advanced technology needed. The second, waste bank at village scale. A waste bank is not just for cities. I help our village youth group separate plastic waste into 2 categories: clean plastic to a bottle, and dirty plastic like wrappers. We sell clean plastic to a collector in Lamongan city. The money even if only 50,000 rupiah per month. It used to buy trash bin for the local mosque. This teaches children that waste has value. For the third, education through storytelling. As an English education student, I learned that stories change behavior faster than warnings. So, I wrote simple bilingual storybook under the title of Si Sampah Plastik Yang Lelah, The Child Plastic Waste. I read it elementary school in children Trosono village. After the story, they start picking up plastic wrappers on their way to school. Small habit, big impact. Honorable judge, sustainable consumption is not about being perfect, it is about being consistent. A village like Trosono will we ever have a modern recycling plant, but we do not need one. We need awareness, creativity, and cooperation. So, let me end with this. Do not wait for the government to solve everything. Start with you on neighborhood, refill no sachet, separate, not burn, educate, and not blame. Because a small village with responsible consumption is not just a dream, it is a choice. Thank you very much for your attention. The last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.